In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see templates on Squarespace. If you're thinking about building a website and want to explore what Squarespace offers before committing, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to browse and preview their templates. Open your web browser and go to squarespace.com. When the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click Get Started. This button takes you straight into the setup flow where Squarespace introduces you to their designs. At this point, you have two easy paths. You can continue into the site building flow to see templates as part of that process, or if you just want to look around without entering any details, click Just Browsing at the top right. Choosing Just Browsing brings you directly to the full template library, so you can explore everything at your own pace. You're now in the gallery where multiple templates are available for use. Think of these templates as polished starting points. Each one has a look, layout, and structure designed for different needs, like portfolios, online stores, blogs, and service businesses. Take your time here. You can scan the grid to get a feel for aesthetics, and you'll often see categories or tags that hint at what a template is best for. If you're new to website building, focus on the overall style and the page layouts you like. You can always customize fonts, colors, and images later. When a design catches your eye, click it to open the full preview. This is where you get a closer look at how pages flow together, the navigation menu, and how content sections are arranged. Many previews let you switch between desktop and mobile views, which is helpful to see how your site might look on different devices. Scroll through the demo pages, like Home, About, Services, or Contact, to imagine how your own content would fit. If you decide a template is right for you, look for the button labeled Start with this design. Clicking it will begin building your site using that template as the foundation. Don't worry, you're not locked in forever. You can customize almost everything, and in most cases you can switch designs later if you change your mind while you're still setting things up. That's all there is to it. Go to squarespace.com, click Get Started, choose Just Browsing. If you want to explore freely, browse the templates, click one to preview, and when you're ready, select Start with this design to begin creating your website. Take your time, compare a few options, and choose the one that feels most like the site you want to share with the world.